Warm greetings to you. My name is Dr. Joseph M. Munywa. Today we are concentrating on the predictive analysis. In the predictive analysis technique of the data analysis, the involved predictive analysis is an analysis of the past data, that is, historical information, and the already corrected data, that is, current data regarding a given phenomenon. The said analysis is geared towards answering the following question. What is likely to happen in the future? For instance, if the involved historical data shows that since the beginning of the multi-party politics in Kenya, political electoral crimes occur after every 5 years, that is, during and immediately after the general elections, using the said past data and the current data, the concerned researcher can predict that in the future, at an interval of 5 years, there will always be political electoral crimes in Kenya. Remember that in the above example, the involved trend can only be likely, but not obvious. This is because some changes can occur and therein interfere with that trend. For instance, in the said example, the Kenyan constitution can be amended in order to obliterate political electoral crimes in Kenya which occur after every 5 years. Again, the Kenyan political leaders who normally refuse to accept the outcome of the general elections can decide to stop encouraging the Kenyan populace to fight after every 5 years, that is, during and after the said elections. Hence, the predictive analysis technique is only suitable when the involved study is geared towards informing its intended readership about what is likely to happen. Accordingly, the predictive analysis technique enables the researcher to make predictions about the likely future outcomes which are based on the historical data and the already corrected data, namely current data. Undeniably, in this case, the researcher's prediction is a mere estimation. The accuracy of the said estimation is based on the relevance of one's available past data and the current data regarding a particular phenomenon and his or her ability to reflect on it. Last but not the least, after analyzing the involved historical and current data, the researcher's subsequent prediction becomes part of his or her data interpretation, which should immediately follow the process of the data analysis. For that reason, the gathered historical and current data should be analyzed in such a way that, in the end, it eases the researcher's prediction that ought to take place during the interpretation of the analyzed data. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.